Sugar Tower, good morning. Cannon ready, roll time 25. Cannon, good morning. Sugar Tower, line up. Cannon, at roll time, clear for takeoff. Cable party, centre runway 12 and link the cable.
As part of the activation of RAF-based Sherga, the mobile aircraft arrestor system is a key bit of infrastructure that we need to get in so the base is capable of taking fast jets so they can operate out of here for extended periods.
Today is a milestone for the mobile aircraft arrestor system. We had a FA-18 Super Hornet engage the mobile aircraft arrestor system for the first time. We arrived here approximately 6 weeks ago under challenging conditions with the heat being all from southern states in a bare base environment to install the system, very limited resources. We did come up with a lot of obstacles, but as a team we managed to get over those and had the outcome of what we had today. It was a textbook arrest, couldn't ask for anything better. The pilot hit the cable exactly where he's supposed to and the team carried out their duties perfectly.